We are live, Rex. We're live, buddy. We're live. Just getting in here, getting set up, you guys. And I had to grab my dog. So I'm a little bit running behind. It would have been perfect, but I was having some stupid technical difficulties, and honestly, all I had to do was unplug the camera and plug it back in. So yeah, that was dumb. Hi, good boy. Hi, buddy. He's like, wait, you usually hook me up. Such a good boy. Alright, sorry. Bear with me while I get set up here. And let's pop up the charts. Boom. There they are. Actually, let me just get out of the way. Okay. That's a little bit better. Thanks for coming by. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. Greatly appreciate it. We are watching SPY, Q, IWM, and anything else that we want to trade that's moving. And at the same time, I'm getting my dog squared away here. He's just waiting because he's being really good. He knows if he's good, he'll get something. Huh? Good boy, Rex. Good boy. Ugh. So I take this tire and I shove one of these here beef strips in. He loves these things. And I feel like they're really good for him, honestly. Some good protein. And put it in the tire, and sometimes he can't get it for so long. I feel bad, but he's getting better at it. He's getting real good. I know this has nothing to do with stocks, but it is what it is. So yeah, just getting that all set up. And I need to share the stream, let people even know I'm live. Can't just rely on the algorithm. So here you go, Rex. Good boy. He's like, oh, it's in there. Let me check the audio levels, make sure we're good. Yeah, I think we're good. Getting this down. Getting it down. I also had to kind of reset up because this is... yesterday was my anniversary, 9 years. Shout out Katie. And so I took the day off. So I had to set everything up today. But we're good. We're up and at 'em. Up and at 'em. Unlike the market, down 0.36% today. Yeah. I know. Let's see. It's like I always start to get really hungry. What the heck? I always start to get really hungry as soon as I start streaming. It's a problem. Alright. SPY not doing anything. Excuse me. Drink some water. Don't make fun of the straw. I don't like to drink out of it on camera. Nothing going on here. Apple, boring. TMDX looking good. That reminds me. Let's see. Let's see, shall we? Do need to share the stream. Hopefully my dog playing around isn't too noisy. It looks like it's pretty quiet. I don't think you can hear it too much. Feel a little shaky. Went to the gym today. Officially back. Week 2 now. Feels good. Feels good. Muscle memory is crazy. Comes back so fast. So we got 54 minutes left in the day, and I will be streaming until close. Till close, then I have some other work I gotta do. Some stuff to handle. And hopefully we get some moves. Team DX back to 50. Shout out himself in Discord. All right. Tesla bouncing, Apple at support, Bloom Energy, which is one of the bigger ones in IWM. Not doing much. Let's look at the 5. One thing to note here, though, is check it out. SPY is holding up the trend lines that I drew over a week ago now. We drew this uptrend channel. Let's look at the hour so you can see it better. And we are just riding that uptrend. Hopefully we stay within it. We'll see. But like I've said before, I won't be surprised if we have a pullback somewhere around to the support level 690, 15, 14-ish. That's definitely going to be a decent support level. So if we do break support here, if the volume's right, you know, we could see something happen, but the volume is pretty low today, 53 million. So far, averages around 70, 75. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see what happens. I don't anticipate too much going on. Now, just to look at the economic calendar, which I do have listed in Discord. You can click on it and check the Federal Reserve calendar. Sorry, I was trying to think and click and talk at the same time. But the economic calendar in my Discord, I post the screenshots of the economic calendar. Actually, do I need to update this? Oh, crap. What's today? Oh, no, we're good. I do need to update it, but we're good. So you can see what's going on. Today is Tuesday. It doesn't look like anything too big. Now, sometimes the Federal Reserve economic calendar doesn't show a whole lot of information, so I also like to look at Market Watch. They have a lot of the more fine details, and also not just the Federal Reserve. So you can see today, Tuesday, January 15th, this morning, infib. Oh, good boy, Rex. You got it. Infib, U.S. Consumer Price Index at 8:30 this morning. Let's see, core CPI. U.S. new home sales. So I'm going to guess the market didn't like this information. St. Louis Fed President Alberto Musalem. I don't know if I've ever heard of him. St. Louis Fed President Alberto Musalem speaks at 10. Oh, that's long gone. 2 p.m. U.S. budget deficit. And 4 p.m. Richmond Fed President Tom Barkin speaks. So that will be at close. This is all Eastern times that I was reading off. Tomorrow, U.S. retail sales at 8:30 in the morning. So before market opens. So we'll see what happens, you know, come 5:30 tomorrow Pacific Standard Time. We'll see how the market reacts to all that. Core PPI. What else? I think that's going to be, you know, pretty important to look at. So keep an eye on how the pre-market reacts. If it's not good news, I wouldn't be surprised if we come back down here to 690.15-ish. if it doesn't already happen today. Hopefully it does. I would like to see a move. As you guys know, I am trading live. I don't know if there's any way for you guys to even possibly. Oh, crap. Cancel. Possibly see what my password is, but 1 second while I just enter it. I accidentally clicked on reset password. Okay, so the $20 live trading challenge is underway. We just need plays now. I'm contemplating on whether or not I'm going to make any trades off camera. I would really rather do them all on live stream because that's something I've never done. You know, I've recapped them all, been transparent, of course, but to actually make each trade on live stream I think would be pretty cool. It's just an added element of pressure for me, and an added element of difficulty because power hour sometimes sucks. So we'll see what happens. Support right now around 692.30, 692. If we can get that break below 692, that's when I'll really start to be interested. If we don't get it, you know, the market will probably just chop around if not. But there is a chance we do get a slight break out of this upward channel and pull back to the 690.15. You know, yesterday morning we had a big move from that support level up to where we are now. So we could see the inverse of that. But it's all going to come down to volume and patience. So got to wait for it. But that is the move I'm looking for. And that's how you prepare for success. You know, you want to have a plan. We're not just guessing what might happen. If I didn't know which levels to watch for, you know, what happens is you end up in a trade. You don't know when to get out because you don't know what the potential is. Or, you know, you end up upside down on the trade because it bounces off support before you knew where support was. So do not set yourself up for failure. Prepare. Prepare, prepare, prepare. Now I'm going to give my dog some kibble. It's kibble time. Right, Rex? Place. 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 Good boy. Man, like 2 weeks ago, he didn't know place at all. I taught him it pretty quick. Alright, I feel like it just got so quiet in here. So quiet. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. I know a lot of you just come in and out. And a lot of you are quiet, and that's all good. I can talk enough for everyone. There you go, bud. Alright. Got kibble dust on me. What a day. What a day. It's cold. 64. I guess it's not as cold as it's been. Oh, sorry. Ready for a nap. Late night. All right, come on, support. Break for me. Give it to me. I need to be entertained. The danger of live streaming and trying to do all the trades on live is that I get so bored and I just want something to happen. And it's not up to me when it happens, you know? It's not. All I can do is sit here and wait. Let's look at 1 day till expire. Because, well, actually it's 12:15, so I don't even know if it would let me execute a same day. We could try. Looking at puts. 691 put. It could happen. But again, the volume is so low right now. You don't want to be the first one in. On the other side, take a look at Bitcoin, huh? On the other side, on the positive side of moves. Check that out. Pretty freaking sweet, huh? I like that. I like that. Maybe let's take a look at Q and IWM. Excuse me. This challenge, I'm not holding myself strictly to SPY. SPY is my bread and butter, but you know, there's definitely days where Q and IWM are the clear winner and should not be ignored. So if one of them really starts to move before, maybe I'll take a swing at those. Similar price range. Again, $20 challenge. Hi, Rex. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, come on. Taking a look. Breaking views. Jamie Dimon puts JP Morgan into path of its own storm. Exclusive Big Brother owner Benny J in talks with all three media parents over Big Brother owner. What's up, Rex? Want some more kibble? Want some more kibble? Couple random treats in there? Instantly spots the treat out of all the kibble. Of course. Of course. You'd spot it with his eyes closed, though. Alright. Power Hour has been hit and miss. There's been a couple good days, but I think overall, a little slow. We could take a swing at a penny stock and just buy some shares. Not against it, honestly. Let's grow this $20 any way we can, and there's lots of ways to do it. There's no, there's not one way you have to do it. Options just give you more potential, but they are riskier than just trading a penny stock. Of course. Penny stocks, you don't have to worry about those going straight to zero, although it can happen with time. Options, those things can just evaporate if you're not careful. Trading same day till expire. Waiting for support to break. SPY is knocking on the door. Knocking on support's door. I believe that's how the song goes. And we're just not quite getting it. Just not quite getting it. Oh, IWM looking to lead the way. Hold on. Let's see what happens on IWM. More than likely, they'll all start to move down around the same time, but one of them will probably move first. And sometimes it feels like watching paint dry. I'm not going to lie to you guys. So looking at SPY, this trend is tightening up. You can see the range is getting smaller. VIX is growing, so contracts are becoming more expensive. Things are getting more volatile as it pulls back. Now, generally, you'll see the market inverse the VIX, but that's not always. Do not count on that always being the case, but that's what you'll see. You'll see the market come down as volatility rises, and vice versa. As the market climbs up slowly, volatility decreases. Hi, Rex. What time is it, dude? What's up? Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Up. Up. Good boy. Good boy. What are you doing? Oh, does my hand smell good? Bet it does. You want some more kibble? You want some more kibble? Ready? Ready? It's kibble time. Come on, support. My goodness. Zooming in. Here we go. It just hit the alert. Alert, alert. 1 day puts. Could take a. What's going on here? 681 overnight. Unlikely, so I wouldn't want to hold this. Just looking for a quick trade here. Quick trade. We could go, heavy. The account's only 20, but we could also be bouncing here because it's in, kind of within that bounce range. So it would be best to save buying power, just in case I need to get out and want to get back in. 38 minutes left on the day. Hey. This volume is killing me. Just killing me. This morning looked like, much better to trade. Look at this perfect downtrend. Sold off and bounced right off our support line. And here we are. Okay. I need to take my dog to go potty. So I'll be right back. I'll leave these charts up. But he's ready. Uno momento. All right, you guys. Back. We are back. Back in action. Don't mind the green screen here. It's got some RC action back there. It looks like support did not break without us, thank goodness. That would have been frustrating. Oh man. Here we go. Here we go. We got 34 minutes left. Bitcoin pushing its way back to 95. VIX on the rise. Let's look at Fridays. Fridays puts. Man. Checking out the open interest on the options. If you scroll over to the right side on the order book, it will show you open int. And 681s are a little heavy. 682s. Interesting. It's just kind of slowly breaking trend. I'm looking for a stronger move. You know, I don't want to get in it and it just barely move. Waste my time. I like to get in and out as soon as I can. You know, 5 minutes for a trade is really what I want. As far as a day trade, I like to get in and out, wait for those moments. Oh, might have missed it though. There it kind of is. Go back to SPY charts, options. 1 day till expire. So these were 14 when we first pulled them up. They haven't moved a whole lot. You know, you could have bought at 14 and been break even right now after, 10 plus minutes. So I'm not missing out on much. That's for sure. All right, come on. Come on. Let's go. What's up? Okay. Dog giving me funny looks. It's like, what are you yelling about, man? You don't get it. You just don't get it, Rex. Is it a false break? Let's go for it. Let's go for it, you guys. 1 day till expire. I just want 20% profit off this. I'm not looking for anything crazy. Let's go. Let's make our first trade. Making our first trade of the $20 challenge. Rex, we were just outside. Hey, down. Down. You're getting so tall, dude. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. Okay, well, he's a little bit distracting, huh? Why isn't the order book pulling up? There it is. Okay, so we got in at 15. This is the first trade of the $20 challenge. Looking for this pullback, hoping for some volume to pour in, not pull in. Looking for volume to pour in. Rex, can you lay down, bud? This is not the time. We just got in a trade. We can't go now. We can't. I just took you potty. Rex. You can't do this to me. You gonna make me get out break even, dude? Come on. Support's about to break, man. Come here. Come here. Wait. Huh? Do you need to go number 2? Is that the problem? Here we go. I was gonna say, I'm just gonna take this tiny profit. So we're up 6%. We're really break even, which ultimately is a loss of 11 cents after fees. I'm just looking for one little move. This guy needs to go. He needs to go. It's the the risk I take in bringing him out here with me is when he has to go, he's got to go. It's just a pup. Good boy. Good boy. We got to wait, man. We're waiting for continuation. Waiting for continuation. Don't you know? Don't you know? Waiting for continuation, Rex. Get it. Get it. Get it. Come on. You're so tall, dude. You're getting so tall. Getting so tall. Here we go. We're almost up. Almost in the green. Boom. I really just want to see a big candle, though, if I'm being honest. And yes, I'm playing tug of war at the same time, so if you're wondering what the hell is going on, I'm just wrestling a baby Rottweiler, basically. He's getting big. Okay. Up 6%. Is that what that is? 15 to 16? 6%? No big deal. Trying to let it ride. It is a 1 day till expire, but I'm not gonna hold it overnight. I'm going to save swing trading for pure profits, or at least until I have enough of a cushion where I don't drop below 20. If I did that, I could make a home run overnight, or I could lose it all and then have to refund the account. That's annoying. Get it. Come on. Looks like we're continuing. Looks like we're continuing. Please hit that like button. Here we go. 17. Rex down. Oh, man. I'm going to get out. I could do a stop loss, but it's not enough. It'll stop me out break even right now. Rex, come here. Come here, bud. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Want some more food? Kibble dust. Kibble dust. Covered in kibble dust. Alright, we're continuing. We're continuing. Catching the moves, you guys. Catching the moves. First trade of the live $20 challenge is going green. I don't want to say it's green yet because we're still in it. Alright, now watch this. Close position. Stop loss. Take profit. 18. Let me hurry. Alright. Wait, what? Don't play games with me. 18. That means it would stop me out at 17. Place the order, and then I go over here to the chart. This way I can just drag them up. And I've already locked in a green trade. Now, if it stops me out, it's going to be a small profit. But that's okay. Green is green. Grateful for green. But if it continues, it is a much more manageable position to be in, especially when you have a dog that has got to go. So we're at 18. If it goes down, it could stop me out at 18 just randomly. That does happen. More than likely, though, if it hits 17, that's when it will trigger the order, which is, 20% gain or so. Something like that, maybe 15. But I'll take it. There it is. So it could continue. That could always happen. But we'll just be grateful for green. And be happy about calling the move out, It's all about being prepared. It does look like it will continue. But Rex has really got to go. He's got to go. Buddy, you're okay. You're okay. Just give me, Rex, give me a couple more minutes, bud. My guess is he's got to go number 2. So I'm going to wrap this baby up. All right. So what we're going to do here. All right, we are going to. I'm going to cut this just like I would one of the old videos. If you know, you know. Let's go. All right. This is awkward. I'm going to try to do this live in one take. And we're just going to review the trade all together, draw the arrows. So, welcome to the live $20 challenge. Thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate you all. Please smash that like button and subscribe if you're new here. Discord is linked down below. Would love to have you there. It's completely free. It's a great community. Everyone's just looking to get better at trading and everyone's positive. But anyways, you guys have either seen this, maybe not. I am cutting this out of a live stream. So if you guys didn't know already, I do live stream every day for Power Hour. And we're looking for those last moves of the day. And today we finally caught the first trade of the challenge. And we streamed all last week, but I wasn't really ready to start the challenge. So today we took that swing and called it before it happened. We had a plan and we executed. So I got a 681 put, 1 day till expire. I got in for 15, out for 17 with a stop loss take profit order. If you go to the live stream, you could watch that all play out. Rex, come here, bud. Rex, come. Rex, come. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, buddy. Hi. Come here. Come here, big guy. Oh, we're going to do this together. So, if you guys watch the stream, you could see that all play out if you want and go watch the playback. But, whoa, he's just punched me in the face. Okay, dude. Hold on. Rex, lay down for a second, please. We got to finish this. Hi. Hi. Yes, I know. Okay, so we got in at 15:29 and we got out 5 minutes later. Just like I was saying, I really like those 5-minute trades. Now, I would typically draw the arrows to get in and out, but we'll just point at them. So 15 would be 12. Wait. 15:29 Eastern would be 12:29 my time. So you can see we got in right here at 12:29. Actually, let's draw these arrows. My dog's making me feel really rushed, but it is what it is. If you guys don't know, I got a puppy Rottweiler. His name is Rex, and he's often with these streams, in these streams with me. And right now, he's ready to go, and I'm not. So hold on a second, sir. So I got in. Rex, come here, buddy. It's okay. Come here. Come here. Come here. I know, 1 second. In at 15:29, out at 15:34. Once it felt like we were hitting resistance, and I got stopped out. So I was lucky enough to be able to set myself up for that stop loss take profit order. Now I could have sold at the peak and locked in probably 30 to 40%. You know, it's probably more like 30% at its peak. But instead, I decided to take that chance and let it continue if possible. Rex, come here. Rex. Rex, come. Rex, come. Come here. Come here. Come here. And decided to take that chance. I'm sorry, this video might be a little bit scatterbrained because I am trying to multitask. So let me just draw this arrow and you can see where I got in and out. And luckily I did get out basically, you know, at the peak of the move. We'll see if it continues, but that's not something I wanted to stick around and see. It was a 1 day till expire, so I did have some time. But again, you don't want to watch it go green and then back to break even or possibly even negative. If we look at the contract now, it's already back to where I would have been down. You know, it could only get out at 14 right now. So very grateful and happy about the move I just made. Thank you all so much for watching. I've got to take my dog out. He is gonna lose it. Hope you stay happy and healthy. I'll see you in the next one. And I almost can't even think straight. But yeah, this is live and feeling a little wild. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you stay happy and healthy. And I'll see you next time. Rex, come here. Hey, come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Alright. I think I'm also going to end this live stream. Because this dude's really, he's ready to go. He's ready to go. There's 20 minutes left on the market. So it's a little early. But, you know, he wasn't quite ready for today. And he, hi. So thank you guys. I appreciate all of you so much. Please hit that like button if you haven't already. And I'm going to leave the charts up for now. But for now, I am disappearing. I'll see you tomorrow.